Is your VoIP system giving you a headache? Dropped calls, choppy audio, and security concerns can leave you frustrated. But fear not. Today, we'll tackle 10 common VoIP issues and show you how to resolve them for good. Number 1. Choppy or low-quality audio. This often happens due to bandwidth problems. To fix this, start by running a speed test to check your connection. Ensure your bandwidth meets the required capacity for VoIP calls. This simple step can often clear up audio issues. Next, let's talk about dropped calls, a common and frustrating issue. Check your internet speeds and stability. Conduct test calls and make sure your firmware and software are up to date. If problems persist, don't hesitate to contact your VoIP provider for support. Inability to make calls. Are you unable to make outgoing calls? Slow internet or insufficient bandwidth might be to blame. Ensure your network has clear bandwidth space and adjust your router's timeout settings to keep the connection steady. Calls connecting but there's no sound. This could be due to device connection issues. Make sure your VoIP device, account, or handset is properly connected to your phone system. This can help prevent calls from going straight to voicemail. One phone working but not the other. Sometimes one phone works while another doesn't. This is usually a networking issue. Try resetting your router, setting up quality of service (QoS) settings, disabling SIP ALG, and checking for firmware updates. VoIP phone not turning on. If your VoIP phone isn't turning on, power or connectivity might be the issue. Ensure power cables are firmly plugged in and there are no loose connections. This helps or prevent poor audio quality or dropped calls. Echo.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Echo during calls can be very annoying. It's often due to network instability. Run a network assessment test, reduce congestion by turning off unused systems, and segment your network with a virtual LAN to improve call quality. Latency. Latency causes delays in audio transmission.
Hello.
Which can be frustrating. Maintain a ping below 150 milliseconds and jitter below 30 milliseconds. Fast internet speeds and sufficient bandwidth are crucial to minimize latency. General call quality problems. For general call quality issues, following best practices is key. Use business-class internet, limit Wi-Fi calls, invest in quality VoIP hardware, train employees, have a backup plan, and choose a reliable VoIP provider. Security concerns. Lastly, let's talk about security. VoIP systems can be vulnerable to virtual attacks. Enhance security by implementing proper protocols, keeping software updated, and maintaining secure firewall settings. And that's it. By addressing these common VoIP issues and following our troubleshooting steps, you can enhance the quality and reliability of your VoIP phone systems. Contact our chat support for more information.